This is my chapter on Triad color. Now, based on all the previous chapters, we've been working with a complementary mix with every color mix. So we've been going to the opposite color to gray it out and so on. And that is the foundation for most of the color that you use. However, this is a whole different direction. Now we're going to be working with three equidistant colors on the color wheel. So let's take a look first at my Quiller color wheel. And let's look at the whole wheel and all the colors. First of all, how do you find a triad color scheme? There are 12 major notes on this color wheel. And so what we want to do is pick three equidistant colors. Every fourth color of those 12 colors could be a triad. The most prominent and well-known color scheme of the triad would be a simple primary triad, which is a yellow, blue, and red. And you can see on this color wheel it has that triangle. That you theoretically should be able to mix almost any color with those three pigments. And it's beautiful. However, there are so many other triads that are much more interesting, I think. Okay, how would you get a neutral? All you do is take the three colors, mix it together, you see, and you're going to take it down to the neutral. So that's the key. That'll take it right to the gray, or to the neutral, as we call it in the center. So it's just a mix of those three pigments. And so we're going to do a couple color schemes, a couple studies, working with the same three colors. And we're going to vary them so they'll have totally different moods. So let's get started on the triad studies. Now the key is not only the color mix that gives me the neutral, but also the value of the color. And in this case, I want this to be kind of a little lighter value. So we'll get that coming. First of all, mix the color, get the neutral, and then adjust it so that it's a lighter value. Okay, so let's do that. So I'm going to start here and just lay this in. Coming in a little lighter. You see, we'll just kind of take this down, bring this out. And this time, I'm going to start with this color and just hit this right along this upper area and just get that going. So I get a little glow from this upper area. Keep that paper fairly wet. And then I'm going to neutralize this with a little bit of the turquoise and the rose. And just take that down to a gray. And just let that move. So I'll gradate this down. So I just have a very subtle warm.